Are you on edge? Turn on stress-relieving doll mode full on!
You've reached the Troom Center of Psychological Support. This is Stephanie. How can I help you? There are so many calls today that Stephanie can barely manage to take them. Well, apparently, everyone's having a tough day. Our stress manager has her own stress reliever to keep her from going crazy. It's a doll in a soothing dress. Trace a layout of a doll skirt with an aslant bottom on double-sided sequin fabric. Cut it out. Sew the top and the skirt. Put it onto your doll. Attach a thin strip of Velcro to the back. Our stress manager, Stephanie, takes out her anti-stress doll. She breathes deeply and rubs the sequins on the magical dress. What a relief! A minute of a doll therapy and her nerves are steady. Let's keep on working. Rosie is obsessed with cleaning. During another cleaning session, she finds the Troom's anti-stress service business card. She probably won't need this. Oh my gosh! Rosie trips over her cleanliness. It seems like her cleaning obsession needs to be treated. Rosie bravely dials the number of the hotline. The stress manager hears the client panicking. This is an emergency. It needs a personal stress-relieving treatment. Poor Rosie is already so desperate. For starters, let's calm down and take deep breaths. And now let's pick out a suitable way to relax. But nothing helps Rosie. Then Stephanie takes out a secret weapon. It's a Barbie with slime in her head. Take the hair remains out of a Barbie's head. Cover the body in plastic wrap. Cut off the plastic seams on the head. Shape a hairstyle from polymer clay. Attach a clay hair bun. Even out the bangs with a skewer. Take off the head and bake it following the package instructions. Cut the top off Barbie's head. Mix 2 parts slime glue with 1 part gel laundry detergent. Add pink acrylic paint and a pinch of baking soda. Mix slime. Put in glitter. Put the slime into the head. Cover it with the top. Color the hair with acrylic paint. Decorate it with a bow. Our stress manager takes pink slime straight out of Barbie's head. It's a stress reliever for emergency situations. It calms Rosie down. Stephanie thinks that she's done working with this client, but one stress reliever is not enough for Rosie. The whole box tempts her. What else is in here? Maybe a mini skateboard? No way! Rosie needs something stronger. Then she will definitely like a doll with springy curls. Cut pipe cleaners of different colors into 2.5-inch pieces. Wrap them into springs. Pluck out the ends with tweezers. Make holes in the doll's head using an awl and stick in the springs. Cover the entire head with pipe cleaners. Decorate the new hairdo with a bow. Rosie gladly touches the hairstyle of this Barbie Medusa. Her curls are so soft. Oops! It looks like Rosie pulled out one lock. Here's a new reason to be stressed. Come on, Rosie, don't cry. This doll still has a lot of curls. It seems like the client has calmed down, so it means that the work of the stress manager is done. Everyone knows that water has a soothing effect. Stephanie decides to use it in her work and soaks Orbeez in water. She waits a little, and a cute Orbeez mermaid dives out of the magical box. Take a broken doll without legs and cut off the bottom part using a heated knife. Place the body onto paper and draw a cutout of a mermaid tail. Trace the cutout on clear film folded in half. Leave an allowance for a seam. Cut it out. Wrap the edges in parchment paper and seal it with a flat iron. Put Orbeez into hot water. Let them soak for a few hours. Put the balls into the tail. Cut a balloon to make a top. Add a rhinestone. Playing with this mermaid doll is so much fun, and our Rosie is stressed again. This time she came to the anti-stress office herself. But once Rosie sees the soft mermaid, she forgets about her nerves right away. The balls jump out of the tail on their own. Rosie takes the mermaid for herself. The sound of a hammer interrupts Rosie's sweet dreams. Her neighbors are destroying Rosie's stress again. This is way too much. She needs to call the Troom anti-stress service. Rosie orders a home delivery this time. It's a doll in a soft, squishy skirt. Make notches around the edge of a cardboard tube. Bend them towards the center. Put in a broken doll without legs and hot glue it to the tube. Cut skirt pieces with tucks for the waist out of foam rubber. Sew a wide skirt. Put it into the tube. Cover it with foam paper. Decorate the top and the skirt with rhinestones and pearly half beads. Rosie gets her doll's stress reliever. This doll is so soft and satisfying to touch. The squishy skirt calms down its owner. Now Rosie will fall asleep right away, and no noise can disturb her. Something terrible happened. Rosie's boyfriend dumped her. She has one more reason to be stressed. She tries to calm down. She pops bubble wrap, but this doesn't work for long. There are no more bubbles. Then she has to call the anti-stress service again. The stress manager comes to rescue her client. She gives her an emergency treatment. It's a fun explosion, but it doesn't work either. Then we will go back to a tried and tested method, an anti-stress doll in a soft dress. Fold strips of tulle in half. Cut out a circle for the neckline in the center. Put in a layer of chiffon and sew the edges of the top. Turn it right side out. Hot glue colorful pompoms to a piece of tulle. Fold the fabric. Sew it along the side. And fold the skirt in half so that the pompoms are inside. Add more pompoms. Sew and pull the top edge. Attach a bottom chiffon skirt. Put in elastic ribbon. Wrap a felt belt around the waist. Decorate the top with a few pom-poms. Rosie likes the soft white dress with satisfying pom-poms. She cheers up. Oh no! There's a failure in her nervous system. Then the stress manager takes extreme measures. A bag of styrofoam balls can calm anyone down. If your nerves are unsteady, even some regular art therapy can cause stress. Rosie needs a new way to relieve her stress right now. Stephanie will immediately choose the right thing for this occasion. We will need paints, brushes, and a coloring doll. Paint stress-relieving coloring patterns on a doll using black acrylic paint and a thin brush. Correct the lines with nail scissors. Add bright accents. Tattoo artists came up with this doll so that they can relieve their stress. You just need to color the patterns on the doll's body. Take some paint and start. The best part is that you can wash it off with a sponge if you mess up. No need to crumple paper and stress out. Good job, Rosie! You can become a famous Barbie tattoo artist. Stephanie is looking for new ways to relieve stress. Today, we will use our favorite Legos. Let's see what we can do if we combine them with our favorite Ken doll. Draw a layout of overalls to fit Ken on denim fabric. Cut it out and leave some allowances. Sew the trousers from the inside. Turn them right side out. Cut off half of the top part. Hot glue the corners. Fold up and hot glue the edge. Repeat for the other side. Cut the base for the straps. Attach metallic fasteners. Fold up and hot glue the front of the overalls. Cut out 2 denim strips. Attach the straps to the overalls. Place them crosswise on the back and pull them through the fasteners. Put the overalls onto Ken and hot glue Lego pieces to the fabric. These new overalls for Ken look great with Legos. You can attach new pockets and details. Everyone who loves dolls and Legos will love this Ken. Did you like our anti-stress doll ideas? Then write in the comments which doll you think is best for relieving stress. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new stress-relieving ideas from Troom.